Reading is important because it develops your mind and gives you excessive knowledge and lessons of life. It helps you understand the world around you better. It keeps your mind active and enhances your creative ability. Reading improves your vocabulary and develops your communication skills. On the doorstep of the National Reading Month, which starts on the 1st of October, we have discussed the topic with few important personalities.
The National Library, together with the Ministry of Cultural Affairs and National Heritage, declared the month of October as National Reading Month in the year 2004. Our main objective was to encourage and motivate people to read books. During this period, we usually conduct organizing seminars to make people aware about reading, develop facilities of rural libraries, program for visually handicapped readers, reading facilities through Kiyomu.lk website, and also we issue free membership of the National Library during this month. I request every one of you to join this program in order to build a better future for this country.
The importance of reading. Physical exercise is a requirement to keep the body healthy. In a similar manner, exercise for the mind is required to keep the mind healthy. The best exercise for the mind is reading. Sir Francis Bacon had said, "Reading maketh a full man," and he couldn't be more correct. Reading elevates one's knowledge and vocabulary. Reading opens doors for new knowledge and it enlightens the mind. Reading is for all, that is for both children and adults. It has been found that kids who read grow up to have better cognitive skills. As you read, not only you come across new words, but also writing styles and rhetoric, etc. If you have not read Shakespeare, you would not know the rhetoric in Mark Antony's oration after the assassination of Julius Caesar. Reading improves memory of children and adults. The aging persons are encouraged to read to avoid loss of mind. The aging persons are encouraged to read to avoid loss of memory. Reading books builds confidence and helps to socialize. Reading broadens horizons and knowledge. Just imagine if you have not read about Newton, Einstein, and Hawking, you will be ignorant of the nature of our world and of our universe. If you have not read the Buddhist Dhamma, you will not know the meaning of mudita, the sympathetic joy, which is essential for man's development. Today, information technology has reduced the interest in reading, especially by young children. But reading must be encouraged by the parents to make the children more empathetic, more intelligent, more skillful, more knowledgeable, and more sociable. Finally, I repeat here, reading maketh a full man.
Albert Einstein once said, "If you want your children to be intelligent, read them fairy tales. If you want your children to be more intelligent, read them more fairy tales." I'm Dr. Krishanti Rondon Fuentes, a children's book author and a former staff member of UNICEF. Today, I will speak briefly on the subject, the importance of children reading. Even at that time, Einstein knew the importance of reading. There are enough scientific studies to confirm that reading is essential for a child's success in school and his or her journey through life. Reading is one of the most fundamental skills children need to learn to be successful. Not only do good reading skills benefit students academically, they are also a skill required for lifelong success. Reading develops vocabulary, increases attention span, and promotes stronger analytical thinking. Here are a few concrete reasons to encourage children to read. Reading improves concentration, it improves memory, it enables a child to discover other parts of the world and other cultures, boosts critical thinking skills, develops empathy, expands language skills, enhances imagination, and allows a child to better perform in school. Enabling children to read is a win-win situation for all.